The Canon G3270 is a compact and affordable, all-in-one MegaTank printer designed for home users who need reliable, everyday printing at an extremely low cost. Manufactured by Canon, it combines long-lasting ink tanks, wireless convenience, and simple operation for daily home tasks. All-in-one home functionality. The G3270 supports print, scan, and copy functions, making it a practical solution for homework, personal documents, and occasional photo printing without requiring multiple devices. High ink yield with big savings. This printer includes up to 2 years of ink, allowing you to print up to 6,000 black and white pages or 7,700 color pages with a single set of inks. Canon estimates savings of up to $1,000 on ink, making it ideal for budget-conscious households. Reliable print performance with print speeds of up to 11 pages per minute in black and 6 pages per minute in color. The Pixma G3270 delivers steady performance for everyday home printing needs. Wireless and USB connectivity. Built-in Wi-Fi allows wireless printing from laptops, smartphones, and tablets, while USB connectivity provides a stable wired option for direct computer use. User-friendly LCD display. The 1.35-inch square LCD display makes it easy to navigate settings, monitor printer status, and manage copy or scan tasks without hassle. Borderless and color printing. The printer supports borderless printing, enabling clean photo prints and creative projects, along with vibrant color output for documents and graphics. Energy-efficient and eco-conscious design. With Energy Star R certification and EPEAT qualification, the G3270 is designed to reduce power consumption while supporting environmentally responsible printing. Compact and home-friendly design. Lightweight and space-saving, this printer fits easily into small desks, study areas, or shared family spaces without taking up much room. Overall, the Canon Pixma G3270 is an excellent choice for home users seeking low-cost, wireless, and dependable all-in-one printing. With its MegaTank ink system, strong ink savings, and simple controls, it delivers great value for everyday home use.